How to hide Instagram stories to specific users. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide Instagram stories to specific users. So all you need to do is simply follow the steps that I tell you. Make sure that you go into your Play Store or any of the respective app directory first and update your Instagram if it's not, and if it is, you're good to go. Then what you need to do is simply get into your Instagram, and once you're into your Instagram, all you need to do is simply add up some story. So for example, I get into it and I post down a story. So I have this story put on. I would simply go on put this story, and once I have put up this story, it would take some time for it to get posted, and once it is posted, then I'll tell you the further procedure. So here you see that it's posted. Now I'll go into the more, that is at the bottom right corner, and in the more, once you tap on it, this type of a dialog box appears up, and which you're gonna go into the story settings. And once you are into this page of the story, all you need to do is hide story from and just tap on that zero people, because I have literally no one that I can hide my story from. So you can specifically choose the users you want to add your story from. And now you see that 5 people would not be able to see your story, or you have actually hidden stories from these 5 specific users. So this is how you do it. This is how you hide Instagram stories to specific users. And if you guys still have any question regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel of How to Digital. And don't forget to click that bell icon so that you can receive amazing notifications about these awesome videos. And that is it. Till next video. Take care. Peace.